I just got this really new, nice garment bag that converts into a duffel bag. It does come with a little toiletry bag here as well. Now, I really like this because the material here is very nice. I like the look of it. I like the patch that it has right here. Kind of like this nice little leather look to it. This here, like I said, it does open up to a garment bag. So this is the way it looks right here. I like it has these nice little pockets that you have right here, a little zippered pocket. It has the little hooks here where you can put it right on the hanger, put it right in those. Let's check out how easy it is to convert into a duffel bag now. It's really that quick and simple. Here's the dual zipper here. Has a nice padded handle. Does come with a shoulder strap as well, so you can easily throw that over like that. This side has a nice pocket here with another zippered pocket right there. The ends here, this side opens up and you have little pockets here. It has a nice material. Keep things from getting super wet in there. And then this side is a place where you can put your shoes, so you can keep those separate from the rest of your garments as well. The front here has this really big open pocket area here. You can see this one here has these multiple pockets like this. This is what it looks like on the inside as a duffel bag. This is the way the bottom looks. So it has these little pyramid type shapes here for the feet. Not only does it have it on the four corners, but it also has one in the middle to help give it extra support as well. I feel like the durability and the stitching here is very strong. I could take this 6 pairs of men's jeans, easily fit it in there. Could fit double of that in there easily. So if you're checking this one here out, I hope this video helps you. I think this is a nice looking and a high quality garment bag that converts into a duffel bag. It's great for traveling, going to work, for the gym. I think it's very versatile. 2 thumbs up on this one.